Okay, now I'm going to make chicken morcon. So these are all what you need: boneless chicken breast, breadcrumbs, scrambled eggs with milk, and ground black pepper, bell peppers, red and green. This is optional, you don't have to do this, but since it's Christmas, we need the green color and red color inside the chicken. Deli meat, that's turkey meat, it don't matter what kind. And then this is the cheese, mozzarella. Okay, now so I'll start cutting the boneless chicken. So what I do, I will cut it this side and then spread. All right, I got one here that's done. Where is it? So I cut it once, but it's still, I think it was still too thick to roll up, so I cut one more time there, and then here as well. Okay, another one here. So I cut it once and spread, and then I think this side was still too thick, so I cut one more time there. Alrighty, you get the idea, right? As long as it's not hard to roll up, then you'll be okay. Ayan, lagyan na natin ng processed meat. Maglalagay ako ng dalawa, pero one is fine. So yung deli meat, and then cheese, and then this one is totally optional. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but combination of bell pepper and cheese is so yummy. I actually make spring roll loaf like this, and just cheese and then roll up. Yummy. Roll up with the spring roll pastry. It's gonna be good. Alright, I'll start rolling up. I just want to show you. Usually I use my two hands, of course, but I just want to show you how I do it. Ayan. And then I will put stick now, toothpick on both sides to seal it. It's easier to do it before you roll it on breadcrumbs and egg, because you still can see, right? Okay, there's the toothpick there, and that side there, so it's kind of sealed, right? So now I will roll up. Oh dear, no, not there. The egg first. Egg. Oh dear, I'm sorry. Egg wash, and then the breadcrumbs. Just like that. Then I'll set aside here. And then I'll be ready to bake. Okay, I'll try one more time. So you start from the end. Roll, roll, and roll. And then we just have to seal it with a toothpick. Okay, see, it's sealed, right? And in case you don't have toothpick, you can also use strings. Where's the stick? I cannot find it. I don't know. So to the egg first. To the egg you roll, and then to the breadcrumbs. That. And to the baking pan it goes. Ang laki. Alright, they're ready to bake. And they're going to the oven for 350 Fahrenheit. Alrighty, so that's about 40 minutes. So I think they are done. I don't have the thermometer to check the temps, but usually when I cook chicken, it's just about 40 minutes. So they look good. So now I'm going to slice, see how they look like inside. There, that's how they look like inside. O, diba? Ang ganda-ganda. Meron siyang red and green. And it's really, they are really moist. And by the way, before you cut them up, make sure you remove the toothpicks too. Okay? And also cool them down before you cut them up. Otherwise, hindi sila makakat ng maayos. Magiging crumbly. Okay? I hope you try the recipe. Goodbye. Thank you.